Welcome back. Now, if you are a user of Camtasia Studio and you choose to have the add-in for Microsoft PowerPoint added to your system, you're going to notice that there's a separate section called add-ins in your PowerPoint presentation where there are action buttons that you'll be able to use for your recordings. Now, these buttons are made specifically for you to be able to record your presentation as well as your screen when you're using PowerPoint. Now, there are a few considerations that you'll want to think about. First is that the recording process works differently than if you were to use the native application for Microsoft PowerPoint, which is the application that you're looking at on your screen. One thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to take a look at the settings. Now, you will be able to change a limited number of features when you're working inside of this area for Camtasia. However, there are more options if you choose to use Camtasia Studio as your main way of being able to record video. Now, if you intend to record your screen or to toggle between your presentation and your screen, the easiest function to use is going to be the record the screen inside of Camtasia Studio for your recording. Now, if your intention is only to scroll through your PowerPoint and what you want to do is to record your video, the easiest way to do that is going to be to use the record feature inside of Microsoft PowerPoint. What you'll want to do is you'll want to make pausing your recording easy. And so if you have a Control Shift and F9, that might be a little complicated in order to remember to pause your recording in case you have to catch your breath. So you can change that to something else here inside of your system. And the same thing is true for the stop command. Now, once again, this is going to have to be something that you're going to have to remember, but you don't have to make it complicated using a Control and Shift and then an F key. Now, when you use the record feature inside of Camtasia, you do have a feature called Share Meeting Notes, which is different from the regular recording. And to start the recording and the countdown, you're going to have this button that you're going to contend with. So you're going to want to make sure, again, that your way of working with the program overall, you're going to want to have something easier to remember than Control and Shift and then the F number. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.